Are you sharing your spa with guests? About to use a spa at a holiday rental? Keep watching to learn how to use it and how to leave it. There's nothing like a relaxing soak in a spa pool, especially while you're on holiday. In this video, you'll find out the key do's and don'ts to be aware of when using a spa, so you can get the most out of the experience and leave it in good condition. Using a spa pool for the first time, or even one you're not used to, can be tricky if you're not sure how to use it or how to look after it. But not to worry, these handy tips will help. Here are 10 things to know when using a spa. 1. Shower beforehand. If possible, try and take a shower before slipping into a spa. Washing oils, moisturizers and other products from your skin before using the spa will mean clearer water, filters, jets and pumps. Not showering beforehand can make the water foam up and be quite unpleasant to use. Note to owners, if your spa is being used for commercial purposes, for example as an Airbnb or rental, the spa should be degreased, emptied and refilled with spa water between each guest stay. Your guests will appreciate the clean, clear water, plus it can also make long-term maintenance easier. 2. Avoid wearing sunscreen and makeup. We're all familiar with the Sun Smart slogan, slip, slop, slap and wrap. But when it comes to being spa smart, the opposite applies. Sunscreen is bad news for spa pools because the cream contains oils that can clog up filters, contaminate the water and leave a grimy stain around the waterline. Makeup products like concealer, foundation, mascara and tanning lotion can cause the same issues, so be sure to remove makeup before you soak. We recommend using shade like a sunsail, umbrella or pergola to protect those in your spa instead of sunblock. 3. Remove jewellery. Chemicals added to spa water could cause jewellery to tarnish and discolour. Some people also experience irritation if water gets trapped between jewellery and your skin. To be safe, it's always a good idea to remove your jewellery and store it in a safe place before your spa. A good tip is to do it at the same time as showering. 4. Keep smartphones and devices away. Our smartphones and smart devices are never far from reach, but like jewellery, it's best to place them in a safe, dry location, well away from spa water. If you're using your device to play music through your spa's speakers or through a separate Bluetooth speaker, we recommend you set a playlist before you enter the spa. That way you can enjoy hands-free listening and can relax knowing your devices are dry and safe from water damage. 5. Always supervise children in spa pools. A spa pool can provide hours of fun and entertainment, but for kids it's vital they are supervised by adults at all times. Here are some tips from Water Safety New Zealand. Always keep babies and toddlers within arm's reach around water. If you're in a group, create an adult supervision roster and ensure children are being looked after at all times. Put your phone away when supervising children. Monitoring requires your full attention. A child can drown in the time it takes to read a text message. Note to owners, to be extra safe, consider investing in a lockable spa cover and installing a fence or barrier. Get in touch with our regulation experts or contact your local council to check regulations. 6. Don't eat in the spa and only use plastic drinkware. It may seem obvious, but it's best to keep drinks and snacks out of the spa pool. Food crumbs, oils, liquids and residue can build up and cause filter blockages. Using glass drinkware in your spa pool is a really bad idea. If glass shatters, not only do you risk being cut, but the spa will also have to be drained and cleaned. 7. Keep dogs out of the spa. Dogs like to be in the thick of the action, so it may seem only natural to bring them into the spa pool. But despite how much we love them, it's best to leave dogs out of the spa. This will prevent dirt, fur and dog hair from clogging around the filters and discolouring the water. Also, the acrylic shell is less likely to get scratched. Please keep in mind that if an acrylic shell is damaged, it can't be replaced. 8. Avoid spa pools if you have a wound. If you have a wound, cut or graze and are waiting for it to heal, it's a good idea to stay out of the spa pool. Your skin will thank you for putting hygiene first, and so will your friends and family for keeping the water clean, clear and healthy. Be aware that even if it's covered with a plaster, these can't stop bacteria from entering the water or the wound. 9. Sanitize your spa pool. Sanitizing is the heart of good spa etiquette and is key to keeping the water crystal clear and safe. Failing to sanitize the spa can lead to water discoloration, the build-up of waterborne bacteria, and increases the risk of spa users becoming ill. If you're a guest or family using the spa, the sanitizing system should be already available for you to use. Simply follow the dosing instructions on the sanitizer packaging to ensure the correct quantity is being added at the right frequency. Also, make sure the jets are turned off during this process. Sanitizing instructions vary depending on the product, spa size and brand. For more information, refer to our spa water guide. The link is in the description below. 10. Put the cover back on your spa after use. When you finish your spa session, don't forget to lock the spa cover back into place. Keeping the lid on your spa is one of the best ways to retain the heat. Neglecting to replace the spa cover can increase the amount of power used. The last thing you want is to leave the owner with a hefty bill. Hopefully this video has given you a clear understanding of the key do's and don'ts to be aware of when using a spa. If you're a spa owner, we hope you have a good idea of what to do to ensure your guests take care of your asset and have a relaxing and stress-free soak. Follow us for more great spa tips and tricks.